another episode of our project exhibition. I hope you liked our first video. Please subscribe to our channel. Keep encouraging us.
Good morning. My name is Ritik. My project is about solar system model. Sun is the earth center of solar system. Sun is very hot and largest object in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system and revolve around the sun. 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Earth is the unit planet. Living beings are found such as animals, plants, humans. Android base is made up of rocky body. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhigna. Dress, toys, foods, vegetables, flower, toys, grocery, etc. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arari. I'm going to talk about Project Park. Park is a beautiful place. Park is an open place. And green grass and trees. Seesaw, slide, swing, play. Children love to play in the park. Thank you. Good morning. The kid man born of teacher. Thank you. Rainbow is beautiful. 7 colors rainbow. Red, yellow, orange, yellow, blue, green, violet, indigo. And I am telling about Hindi letters. A for Anar. Baras Am. Choti is Imli. Bara se oak. Use ullu. Bara use Good morning, everyone. My name is Punarvik. National fruit mango.
National bird peacock. National flag India. National flowers lotus. National animals tiger. National orchid. National fruit bearing tree. Hi everyone, my name is Vihan. My project name is Famous Places of India. Famous Places of India. The Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is located on the Yamuna River in Agra, India. Who built by Shah Jahan. The construction took 22 years. The made with the white marble. The Taj Mahal, very beautiful. How much crores? 3 crores. 3 crores. The Taj Mahal, very beautiful. In sunrise, sunset, full moon. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sanjana. I study in UKG.
Parents, I request all parents to just stand here only. From here the kids. Yeah.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sanjana. I study in UKG. I tell in fruit flavors, vegetables, apple, mango, orange, grape, watermelon, strawberry, and vegetables. Carrot, brinjal, chili, radish, potato.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi. This is my project.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Sinashri. I am telling about sources of water: rainy water, stream water, lake, pond, bore water, river, sea. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Karthikeya. Post office, post box, postman.
What postman will do?
When the letter. Blue dustbin is paper, keep it paper. Green dustbin is iron. Iron pick. Red dustbin is My name is Shreya Srivastava. I am telling about continents. There are 7 types of continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shreya Srivastava. I am telling about transportation. There are 3 types of transportation: land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport is bus, car, cycle. Water transport is ship. Air transport is helicopter, aeroplane. Thank you. Asia, Australia, Asia. Hello friends, my name is Nikesh. I am telling about different type of houses. Building houses are strong house made up of cement, bricks, concrete. Hut house it's is in all villages in made up of mud and dry grass. Apartment made up of apartment is also the strong house made up of bricks, cement and concrete. Hi, good morning. My name is Lahari. I am studying UKG. I am telling now about community helpers, firefighter, doctor, school, police, postman, farmer, butterfly, cockroach, honeybee, sunflower, hibiscus. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Ishan. I sing about India Gate. India Gate is situated in Delhi, the capital of India. India's height is 50 meters tall. My name is Nandita. Today I am telling about water cycle. Water turns into water vapor. Water became cooler, forming clouds and forming rain. Falling rain. Thank you. Thank you. Hello friends, I am Adam Sami. I am going to say about seasons. Summer, winter, autumn, summer, spring, rainy. Leafy vegetables and carrot. Good morning everyone, I am Jeric Archel from UKG. I am going to tell about solar system. There are 8 planets in solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The biggest planet is Jupiter. The smallest planet is Mercury. The red planet is Mars. The blue planet is Earth. The beautiful planet is Saturn. Thank you. The butterflies up the tree. The butterflies over the tree. The butterflies on the tree. The butterflies between the tree. The butterflies behind the tree. The butterflies down the tree. The butterflies under the tree. The butterflies in front of the tree. The butterflies in the tree. Thank you.
I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Sarve Jana Sukhina Bhavantu. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.